Welcome to Mindzita. Tech simplified, dreams amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to add a pop-up for cart in WooCommerce. Let's begin. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, add plugin. Search for cart pops. Click Install, then Activate. Now go plugin page and make sure the cart pops is enabled. Click on Save Changes. Now go to Settings tab. Select the Add to Cart trigger. Click on Save Changes. Now go to Cart Launcher page. Enable the floating cart launcher. Select the position of the floating cart. Click on Save Changes. Now open the product page and refresh the page. Click on your product, click on Add to Cart, and you can see the cart pop-up appears. Click the Checkout Now button for checkout. And that's it. Pop-up is now successfully added in WooCommerce. If you run into any issues to add such pop-up, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.